This is Sukhan TV Unlimited with Star, the #1 self-development YouTube channel that provides all the knowledge and wisdom of the world. Everyone. What is your dream? I don't have a dream yet. Even if you don't have a dream, don't be too disappointed. We prepared this for those who do not have a dream yet. In this video, we will look at the only way to find and achieve your dream and goals. It doesn't cost you a penny, and you can change your life with just a few minutes of investment. The core always comes out towards the end, so please watch it until the end. Don't miss and regret it. Please subscribe, like, and notify. A person is blank at birth. It's like a completely white drawing paper. Naturally, ordinary people cannot have a dream. That's why you don't have to be disappointed or frustrated that you don't have a dream right now. But what if you didn't have a dream for the rest of your life? That's when the story changes. Dream and goals give people the power to live and breathe. Naturally, you work hard to achieve your dream, and results are made accordingly. As such, you will enjoy success and even happiness. However, without a dream, you lose the driving force and power to keep yourself alive. Energy cannot be not focused in one place, making it difficult to achieve results. Therefore, you will not be able to achieve spiritual and material abundance like others, and success and happiness will become stories of others. That is why a life with a dream is 10,000 times better than a life without a dream. So, how can you find your dream and achieve it? The method is very simple. It has been said before that when a person is born, he is like a white drawing paper. In the end, it is up to you to decide what to draw, not anyone else. First, draw anything blindly on white drawing paper. In other words, it is a challenge. If you try, you may make mistakes. But these are not a failure. You can learn by challenging and then try again. You will grow exponentially in it. Even the best painters in the world don't paint well in just one shot. After thousands and tens of thousands of trial and error, they became the best painter in the world. If you do not give up and keep trying, you will eventually succeed. Enjoying the process of challenge is already a success. Everyone. If you don't have a dream, try it right now. Challenge is a dream. Challenge is excitement. Challenge is growth. The moment you take on the challenge, your dream come true. Challenge itself is success and happiness. In this video, we looked at the only way to find and achieve your dream and goal. If it was helpful, please subscribe, like, and notify. See you next time. Until the day when all ordinary people become successful and happy with super self-management, which has never existed in a world that changed myself, ourselves, and the world to shine.